Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SDCIK1093 and today I will be presenting the first assignment about the sound of context, and my song of choosing is Forgot Password from Hindia and Nadine Amiza. Forgot Password is a song about the emotional exhaustion that comes from living in a digital world. Hindia and Nadine describe how constant online noise, criticism, and pressure can make someone feel lost, overwhelmed, and disconnected from themselves and the people they care about. The title symbolizes wanting to log out or step away for a moment to forget the chaos, regain clarity, and reconnect with their life. The song reflects the struggle many young people feel today, trying to stay human in a world that never stops demanding attention. Firstly, historical context. When the song first released in 2023, Indonesia was going through a period dominated by rapid digital change. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter were becoming central to daily life, especially for young people. During this time, many Indonesians were dealing with issues like online hate, cancel culture, and the pressure to always be available or present on the internet. At the same time, conversation around mental health were growing. People were becoming more aware of anxiety, burnout, and the emotional effects on living constantly online. The world had also just come out of the pandemic, so many young people were still adjusting socially, emotionally, and mentally. In this environment, Forgot Password was created as a reflection of how overwhelming digital world has become and how it affects the emotional well-being of a whole generation. Secondly, cultural and social influence. This song strongly represents the culture of Indonesian youth at the time. Instead of talking about romance and traditional themes, it focuses on social media pressure, identity struggles, and mental health. The lyrics describe how people often feel trapped in the noise of the online world, constantly judged, compared, and watched. The songs talk about how digital pressure can make someone lose themselves, hurt people they love, and feel exhausted emotionally. This reflects on a common issue in modern Indonesian society where the internet can create both connection and stress. Musically, the song uses a modern minimalist style that fits the taste of today's generation. There are no traditional instruments. Instead, it uses contemporary production that matches the current global sound of indie pop and alternative music. This shows how today's Indonesian music scenes blend global influences with local emotional experiences. Overall, the song becomes a cultural snapshot of how young Indonesians navigate identity, mental health, and social media in their everyday life. The why. Why the song resonates. Forgot Password resonates deeply with listeners because it expresses something many people feel but rarely say out loud. A lot of young people today experience pressure to appear perfect online, fear of making mistakes in public, anxiety from constant notification, and emotional exhaustion from trying to keep up with everything. The title Forgot Password itself is a metaphor. It represents the wish to disconnect for a moment, to log out from the noise, reset your mind, and reconnect with your true self. At a time when people were looking for honesty and emotional support, this song made listeners feel understood. It creates a safe space to admit that the online world can be tiring and overwhelming. Because of this, the song didn't just become popular, it became something meaningful. People related to an own personal level, turning it into a soundtrack for their own struggles and reflections. In conclusion, Forgot Password is more than just a song. It's a reflection of modern Indonesian youth, shaped by technology, pressured by social media, and learning to find themselves again in a world that never stops moving.